Wow, wow, wow. So you guys are going to get the perfect foil for a barat function or even any other wedding function. Mehndi and barat ke liye perfect foil hai. This beautiful, beautiful royal red and magenta outfit is going to take your breath away. So let's open it up. Acha, bahut zyada na lately silver. This is gorgeous as well. I love the golds. It gives a very nice wedding traditional vibe to the outfit, right? So check this out. This has this gold, nakshi, sequins, these beads, these pearls, lots of handwork with tilla and everything. Resham. This is beautifully adorned, and that's the bodice in royal reds. And of course, ये आ गई जी हमारी. Let me open it up for you. हमारी बैक का मोटिव गले के साथ आ गया, प्रॉपर गला बना हुआ. See this. और इसमें पर्ल आ गया, हमारे सीक्वेंस आ गए, lots of resham adornments and tilla. ये आ गया जी सिल्क की पट्टी, which is beautifully done up in resham and sequins. Lovely, isn't it? And this is in these peachy tones, which is going to complement this one. और ये मजे की बात है, you can see this embroidery, so it's complementing and going with it absolutely. So you know, just not red, it's breaking the red as well, giving it a very nice rich vibe. ये जी हमारी sleeves का motive, and let me show you here how, like this. ठीक है जी. So this pretty one is for the sleeves in resham and sequins, of course. Oh, this is so pretty. Check this out. ये है हमारी चौरा पट्टी की पट्टी के लिए fabric, and this goes with the घेरा of the outfit. ठीक है जी, you can see it, right? इसके नीचे. तो आपको ये भी एफर्ट नहीं करनी भाई कि खुद लेना है या करना है या इवन कटवा के जुड़वाने हैं pieces. It's sorted, it's printed for you on this beautiful silk piece, and you just have to get it attached to the outfit. ये आ गया जी हमारी sleeves का fabric. Sleeves का मैंने motives आपको दिखाए थे. Now this is the edging उसकी with beautiful sequence work with resham and sequins के आपका chun है throughout. This gorgeous piece is for the sleeves. Oh wow! So this is, you know what? This is breaking the reds. I love reds, but reds के साथ कोई और combination साथ हो तो it gives a very nice glamorous look. So this is this. देखो अब आप ये देख लो कि शूट की पिक्चर में ना you might find from the picture, oh, it's all royal red, but no, it's basically red here on the borders and the rest has this magenta pink. Now you know what, जब आप pictures खींच रहे थे, there are different lights and everything, तो उसमें आपको ये लग रहा होता है with the editing and everything going in, but this in fact is not just red, as you can clearly see from the video right now, right? और मैं तो अब देख रही हूँ सामने, तो मुझे अंदाजा हो रहा है. So well, this one has this beautiful panels. ये इसमें gold sequence, resham in peaches and reds के साथ. The panels are right there. ठीक है जी. ये आ गया जी हमारी घेरे के लिए पट्टी. This one is also richly done up in sequins and resham in 2-3 colors. This looks beautiful. Wow. चलो जी, आपके लिए ये भी काम आसान हो गया. आपकी लहंगे की या आपकी लंबी शर्ट की, जहां भी आपने फिनिशिंग पैड करना है, you have this gold zari organza to do the finishings for your outfit. You can see it here, right? So आपको कुछ नहीं करना, आपको सब देगी आपके टेलर ने बस अटैच करने. Even things have been eased up for the tailor. Okay, so this is this gorgeous dupatta. It's heavy, beautiful dupatta जो कि शादियों के लिए is the perfect foil. Gives a very nice, rich, glamorous look, and this is in magenta pinks. You can see it. आप carrot pink भी कह सकते हो, magenta भी, it's lovely, and it goes beautifully with the maroons, right? Gives a very nice, rich South Asian आपकी cultural vibe दे रहा है. Just look at this. This is the border throughout the dupatta, and of course the jal with sequins all over it. Okay, anything else? No. This is, ये है जी हमारी underlining के लिए fabric. This is for the bodice वाला part, and of course नीचे के लिए, and your trouser, sharara, lehenga, whatever you want to make out of it, it's totally there for you. Now these beautifully done up sequence rings are for the attachments on the घेरा या कहीं और आपने place करना है, totally your call. आपने इसके tassel bunch बनाना, whatever, totally your call. Of course ये आ गया हमारे pearls in 2 sizes, and the small and this big one. These are for the finishings of the outfit as well. ये आ गई हमारी गोटे की डोरी, ये आपकी फिनिशिंग्स पे आएगी throughout the outfit. ये भी काफी ज्यादा, you can see the whole pack of it. And then these beautifully customized and hand done up tassels are daintily done for the outfit. ये अपने sleeves पे लगाना है, back पे लगाना है, front पे लगाना है. There are 4 of these. Oh, they're so pretty. Just check these out. Right? So these are lovely. You are going to love the red carpet look on yourself. So please don't wait and just go for it.